Do you want to know how you can log into your Spectrum TV account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Spectrum TV account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for Spectrum TV login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Spectrum TV where you can log into your account quite easily. You can see that you can sign in as your username and password section pops up. Go ahead and write down your Spectrum TV username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Spectrum TV account. You can also stay signed in on this device by clicking on this box over here, and in case you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link for you to recover your account. If you are a student of the University of Spectrum, go ahead and click sign in to Spectrum U. I hope this video about how you can log into your Spectrum TV account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.